AutoComplete Combobox is a read-write combo box with the autocomplete feature. It is from the ttkwidgets library. So to install it, pip install ttkwidgets. Then you can use the widgets. It's part of the module autocomplete. So to use it, you have to import it from ttkwidgets.autocomplete. To create it, you create as any other widget, the master window. I set here the width. To assign the values, you use the property complete values. Here I have this list of fruits, so complete values equal fruits. I also set a font. Now to add it to window as any other widget, I used here pack. Now I'm using two buttons, one to get the value, the actual value of the combo box, and the second one is to set new values for the combo box. To set the new values, you call the method of the autocomplete combo box set completion list, and you give to it a new list. To get the value, you call the get method. So now I'm going to run the code. So here is our autocomplete combo box. So if I write, for example, B, it will autocomplete to the first word. So if I click on get value, here the value that I've selected. Now if I write something else that is not in the list and I click get value, it will get me that value. Now to set values, I call the method set completion list. So set values. Now if I write B, it will give me values from the new list, the list of vegetables. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye.